Welcome back. Adi Godrej, Chairman of Godrej Properties, is joining us on the phone line about the company's latest decision to dilute the promoter's stake. Mr. Godrej, good morning. Good to have you on the show. Can you detail to us what is the game plan? You are going to use the IPP or the Institutional Placement Program route?
Yes. As you know, SEBI requires all companies where promoter holding is above 75% to bring it down to 75%. They have brought in the new IPP route to do so.
Yes.
We are going to use the IPP route and soon bring down our promoter holding to 75%.
So we would expect that you would be offering something like 8% of, what kind of dilution can we expect and by when?
It will be around a 10% dilution.
Okay.
Which will bring the promoter holding to about 75%.
Okay.
And we expect it to be completed before the financial year ends.
Right.
Mr. Godrej, any other sort of equity raising that you would like to undertake? Because the board has approved, something like the rights issue or possibly a QIP as well?
No, that board resolution is an enabling resolution.
Okay.
Currently, it will be just this fundraising. We don't need further fundraising. This will bring our debt-equity ratio to a very reasonable level.
Okay.
And in your sense, it will be
And
done...
also, it will meet the SEBI guidelines.
Okay, Mr. Godrej, I also wanted to just focus on what a reasonable ratio would be for the debt-equity level, or what the plans would be on the debt-equity side?
Well, around 1 or 1.2:1 we consider as reasonable.
Okay. And this would be done in small tranches over many days?
No, I don't think so. I don't know the exact procedure. I'm not an expert on that.
Okay.
But I think it's similar to a QIP. It's all done on one day.
What is your sense about what money you all may be making because of the fresh issue of shares?
That depends on the price at that stage. As you know, QIPs or IPP will be at around the market price. The current price of the share is around 650 rupees a share.
Yes. We did that calculation. It could be around 450 crore is what we are getting at current price. That is, assuming the price remains that way. What do you do with the money?
No, the money will be used to pay down the debt of the company, and that will bring the debt-equity ratio to reasonable levels. Yeah.
Okay, so
And of course, some of it will get deployed into the normal project. The company has several projects. We have signed 8 new projects this year itself. So there are a lot of new projects. We just launched a new project a couple of days ago in Mangalore. We'll be announcing the launch of a new project in South India tomorrow. And so there are huge developments in Godrej Properties. Our sales this year are running at almost double the level of the last year, despite the slowdown in the general property development category. So we are growing very rapidly. So this will have a dual purpose. It will bring in the funds that we require for our rapid expansion, and it will also help us meet the SEBI guidelines of having a maximum 75% promoter holding.
your debt is what, 2,400 crores now?
Sorry?
What is your total debt?
I don't know the exact number. I think it's a little less than that, but I'm not sure. It's around 2,000 and something.
Mr. Godrej, can we expect some amount of private equity deals in this quarter as well?
Private equity deals we do at the SPV level, at the entity, not at the entity level. So it is in each project we do take some private equity. That process in each SPV will continue, and we may do some more in the next 12 to 15 months.
Okay, just wanted an update with regards to the BKC land in particular. If you can just give us a quick heads up on that.
No, that's a large project. It's a joint venture with JET. It will be a project of about 3,500 crore, and that will be implemented very soon.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Mr. Godrej, thank you very much for joining us with your thoughts on the equity dilution. So that's something that's going to get over this quarter. So that's the important point that we have to remember. It should happen anytime soon.